From the warm island to the northernmost provincial capital of China, we step into the icy wonderland of Harbin to explore the northern landscapes depicted in the ancient Chinese poems.
是用这2个卡是吧？
你好，出滑雪卡，咱们滑单板、双板。
双板。Let's go.
To dive into the world of ice and snow, you've got to start with skiing.
It looks not that hard, to be honest. Let me try.
Here, you can totally hit the slopes yourself and also catch the pro events at Asian Winter Games that are going on right now.
It's freezing cold here near Harbin. And every time I breathe, I feel the cold air like pour into my stomach. But it's so much fun!
It's not just me. People from all over the world are having a blast here.
四川
是来自方正县的。It's colder here right now.
colder here.
Yeah.
Really? So how do you like here?
It's pretty.
Strolling down Harbin's Central Street, I immerse myself in its unique customs and charm. With each step, I grow closer to this beautiful city. So, what delightful surprises await me next?
Do you know what I'm doing right now? It's actually icy outside there, but I am fishing. So, have you ever tried like fishing on the surface of an icy like river?
I tried once, but not here in China, of course, in my country. So it's not my first time. I like the experience so much.
Really?
Yeah.
How does it feel? Because
It's
this is
good,
my
it's
first
good, it's
time.
so relaxing.
You need a lot of patience, right?
Yes, of course, a lot.
How long does it take to get, some results?
Maybe sometimes you never take. You stay there for a whole day, but never.
这个叫赫哲冰钓。那么赫哲族呢，是我们北方特有的一个少数民族。在最远的记载呢，大概是6000年前，这个少数民族就生活在那儿，以渔猎为主。这个冰钓呢，就是赫哲族一个非常非常传统的冬季的这种捕鱼的方式。
就是在咱们，尤其是您说6000多年前哈，那个时候那个条件，特别像咱们中国古诗描写的场景，就是江雪。孤舟蓑笠翁，独钓寒江雪。这个词经是您是吧？您就经常一个人在这个冰面上垂钓是吧？
对，在我们还没有把它做成这个冬季的文旅项目之前，实际上冰钓是一个非常非常小众的一个项目。
现在早已不是。
对对对，现在这个冰雪旅游已成为一个新的一个旅游符号。有很多。像南方的朋友，甚至国外的朋友，都会来我们黑龙江去体验现在的这个冰雪的这种感受。在冰天雪地中体验我们东北人的热情。
有鱼上来了吗？哦
Having savored the poetic scene of fishing in a snowy river, my journey in Harbin has come to an end. Where will we head next? The adventures are never ending.